ebidensya ng nasabi nga pong resigned judge na si Omar ay inilabas ang ilan sa mga patunay na ang kanya nga pong sinasabi ay may katotohanan. Actually, ang kanyang naging interview sa HBO ay bago ang coronation ng Miss Universe. Unang inihayag ni Omar sa kanyang Instagram one day ago at sinabing si Miss Mexico is a fake winner. Omar Harforch declared yesterday, exclusively on the American HBO 24 hours before the Miss Universe final, that Miss Mexico would win because Miss Universe owner Raul Rocha is in business with Fatima Vosch Fathers. All details will be shown in May 2026 on HBO. Raul Rocha and his son urged me week ago in Dubai to vote for #Fatima Bosch because they need her to win because it will be good for our business, they said to me. At ilan pa sa kanyang IG story ang mga ibinahagi nitong si Omar, mga ebidensya na may katotohanan ang lahat ng kanyang isiniwalat. At ito pa, ibinahagi ng host ng Miss Universe ang nasabi nga pong winner sa nasabing Miss Universe. Makikita doon ang title at ang country. 4th runner-up, Cote d'Ivoire. 3rd runner-up, Philippines. 2nd runner-up, Venezuela at Miss Universe na si Mexico. Hindi na nga nakalagay dito ang nasabi nga pong first runner-up na si Miss Thailand. At ayon din dito kay Omar, usually ang resulta ay nakalagay sa envelope at hindi yung pinrint lamang. Inilabas na nga lahat ito ni Omar at ayon nga sa kanya ay pinag-iisipan niya na mag-file ng legal action para sa mga iba pang kandidata na ninakawan ng karapatan sa Miss Universe. Ibinahagi din ni Omar Harforch sa kanyang IG ang photo ni Miss Mexico at ni Raul Rocha. Ayon kay Omar, I want to bring justice to contestants, especially the 106 countries who were kicked out 3 days before the show by a mysterious entity, the impromptu jury. In the Miss Universe organization statement refuting Harforch's claims on November 18, the pageant directly addressed the rumors of a secret selection committee and a pre-selected top 30. The Miss Universe organization firmly clarifies that no impromptu jury has been created, that no external group has been authorized to evaluate delegates or select finalists, and that all competitions evaluation continue to follow the established, transparent, and supervised MOU protocols. Ani Omar, I have officially consulted one of the leading law firm in New York to examine the potential filing of a formal complaint before the Office of the Attorney General against the Miss Universe organization. The issues under review include but are not limited to fraud, abuse of power, corruption, deception, breach of contract, conflict of interest, and emotional and reputational damages. Speaking to People one day after the pageant, Harforch says he and his legal team were waiting to see if Miss Mexico won before we started to pursue legal action, and she did win. Ibinahagi din ni Omar ang nasabi nga pong artikulo, resigned Miss Universe judge considering legal action to bring justice to contestant amid claims of misconduct, exclusive. Kung sakaling mangyari ito, magiging Miss Universe kaya si Miss Thailand? Or sino kaya ang karapat-dapat na papalit? Magkakaroon kaya ng husgahan muli? Well, abangan natin ang mga susunod na kabanata. At yan ang ating showbiz love update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.